Good morning students. Today we will learn about the properties of multiplication of a rational number. So let's start. In this section we will learn about closure property, commutative property, associative property, multiplicative identity, existence of multiplicative inverse and distributive property of the multiplication over addition. So let's start. Now first is closure property. What is closure property? The product of two rational numbers is always a rational numbers. Let's take an example. 1 upon 2 multiply by 3 upon 5. After multiplying we will get 3 ones are 3 and 2 5s are 10. 3 upon 10 is a rational number. So after multiplying any two rational numbers we get a rational number again. This property is known as closure property. Now moving on, commutative property. What is commutative property? Two rational numbers can be multiplied in any order. We get the same answer. Let us take another example. 3 upon 4 multiply by 5 upon 7 is equal to 5 upon 7 multiply by 3 upon 4. Here after multiplying we will get 3 5s are 15, 7 4s are 28 is equal to 5 3s are 15 and 7 4s are 28. So here you can see that both answers are same. This property is known as commutative property. Now moving on, third is associative property. When multiplying three rational numbers or more than three rational numbers, they can be grouped in any order. Let us take an example. 1 upon 2 into 5 upon 7 in bracket into 8 upon 7 is equal to 1 upon 2 into 5 upon 7 into 8 upon 7. There are two equations. First equation is written on the left hand side and second equation is written on the right hand side. The difference between two equations is that there is a bracket first two rational numbers and there is a bracket between last two rational numbers, but the sequence of the rational numbers are same. Now first of all we will solve the bracket. 5 1s are 5, 7 2s are 14 into 8 upon 7 is equal to 1 upon 2 into 8 5s are 40, 7 7s are 49. Now here after multiplying we will get 40 upon 98 is equal to 40 upon 98. So here you can see that the value of the left hand side is equal to the value of the right hand side. This property is known as associative property. Fourth is multiplicative identity. What is multiplicative identity? When we multiply the given rational number by 1 we get the same answer. Let us take an example. 1 upon 7 multiply by 1. What will we get? 1 upon 7. That property is known as multiplicative identity. Fifth is existence of multiplicative inverse. What is multiplicative inverse? So in other words we can also say that the reciprocal of a rational number is known as multiplicative inverse and it is denoted as raised to the power minus 1. Let us take an example. If I write 3 upon 2 and question is that find out the multiplicative inverse of that given rational number, that is 3 upon 2. So your answer should be multiplicative inverse of 3 upon 2 is equal to 3 upon 2 raised to the power minus 1. This raised to the power minus 1 is denotes as multiplicative inverse, and after reciprocal we will get 2 upon 3. That is the final answer. This property is known as multiplicative inverse. Now sixth property, distributive property of multiplication over addition. For understanding this property, let's take an example. 1 upon 2 multiply by the sum of 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 4. Here you can see there are three rational numbers. First rational number is multiplying with the sum of two rational numbers which is given in the bracket, that is 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4. Now moving on the right hand side you can see this is the expanded form of this compact form. Means the first rational number is multiplying with both the rational number which is given in the bracket, that is multiplying by 1 upon 3 and multiplying by 1 upon 4. This property is known as distributive property of multiplication over addition. Now solve this equation over here. 1 upon 2 multiplying by 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 2 multiplying by 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 2 multiplying by 1 upon 4. According to the board mass, first of all we will solve the bracket, and in bracket you can see the two rational numbers are in the addition form, so we will take the LCM, that is 12, 4 plus 3, and after adding we will get 7 upon 12, and the final answer will be 7 upon 24. Now here first of all we will multiply according to the board mass rule. They are in the multiplication form and they are also multiplication form. So first of all we will multiply 1 1 the 1, then 2 3 the 6 plus 1 1 the 1, now 2 4 the 8. After multiplying we will take the LCM, that is 24. It will be the LCM of both denominator 6 and 8. Now in the table of 6 it will come for 4 times plus 8 3 the, and after adding here we will get 7 upon 24. So here you can see the value of the left hand side is equal to the value of right hand side. So it's all about the properties of multiplication of a rational number. Now moving on, exercise question multiply. Let's take an example. 1 whole 1 upon 3 by minus 7 whole 1 upon 5. Here you can see that this is in the form of mixed fraction. So first of all we will convert into the improper fraction, that is 4 upon 3, and this by, you can see this by, so we will convert this by into the multiplication symbol according to the question is for multiply. That's why here we will write multiply. Now moving on, here we will write minus 36 upon 5. Now here you can see that this 36 can be divided by 3 for 12 times. So here we will divide minus 12 and here we will write 1. Now here you can see that this numerator cannot be divided by these denominators, and this numerator also cannot be divided by these denominators. So in the further step we will just do multiply only numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. That is after multiplying 4 into minus 12 we will get minus 48 upon 5 1 the 5. Here you can see that numerator is greater with the comparison of the denominator, so we will convert into the mixed fraction, that is minus 9 whole 3 upon 5. That is the final answer. Now moving on, next question, that is simplify. Let's take an example. Minus 16 upon 9 into 1 upon 4 plus in bracket minus 1 upon 5 into 10 upon 3. According to the board mass rule, first of all we will solve the bracket, and in bracket you can see that this numerator can be divided by this denominator for 4 times. So first of all we will divide 4 for the 16 minus 4, and here you can also see that this 10 can be divided by this 5 for 2 times. Now after multiplying here we will get in bracket 4 1s are 4 upon 9 plus in bracket 2 1s are 2 upon 3. Now we will open the bracket, that is minus 4 upon 9, and here plus minus 2 upon 3. Now here you can see minus 4 upon 9 and minus 2 upon 3. So we will solve by using the LCM. LCM is 9, and in the table of 9 it will come for 1 time and multiply by its numerator, that is minus 4. Now here we will write minus symbol, in the table of the 3 it will come for 3 times, 3 into 2, and after multiplying here we will get minus 4 minus 3 to the 6 upon 9. In the further step we will write minus 10 upon 9, and here you can see that 10 is greater than 9, so we will convert into the mixed fraction, that is minus 1 whole 1 upon 9. Now moving on, next question, that is use of distributivity of multiplication over addition. Means here we will use this property. Let's take an example. 1 upon 7 into in bracket 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 4. Here you know very well, first of all we should solve the bracket according to the Bodmas rule, but here we will not solve the bracket. Why? Because here we are to use this property which is given in the question, that is distributivity of multiplication over addition. Now what should we do? So here first of all we will multiply this rational number 1 upon 2, that is with this rational number which is given outside the bracket, that is 1 upon 7. So in the next step we will multiply 1 upon 7 with 1 upon 2, then take plus symbol, then again we will multiply 1 upon 7 with 3 upon 4, and here now we will multiply the rational numbers which is given in the bracket according to the Bodmas rule. 1 1s are 1, then 7 2s are 14, plus 3 1s are 3, then 7 4s are 28. Now here we will use the LCM, that is 28, and in the table of 14 it will come for 2 times. So here we will multiply this numerator with this number, this integer, that is 2. 2 into 1 plus, now moving on, 28 1s are, then multiply by its numerator, that is 3. Now look at here, 2 into 1 plus 1 into 3 upon 28. So we will multiply 2 1s are 2 plus 3 1s are 3 upon 28. In the further step we will write 5 upon 28. Next question, that is find the multiplicative inverse or the reciprocal. I have taught you earlier that multiplicative inverse also known as reciprocal, and in reciprocal you know very well that we will convert the numerator into the denominator and denominator into the numerator by using the raised to the power minus 1. Let's take an example. Here 6 is given and you have to find out the multiplicative inverse of this 6. So what should we write here? In the further step we will write multiplicative inverse of 6 is equal to 6 raised to the power minus 1. And here you know very well that there is a denominator is present which is 1, and after reciprocal here we will get 1 upon 6, that is the answer. Let's take another example. 0 into minus 2 upon 3. First of all we will solve, and after multiplying any rational number or any integer with 0 we will get 0, final answer. So here we will write 0, and the multiplicative inverse of 0 is equal to, you know very well that there is no rational number with 0 as a denominator. So here we will write only that the reciprocal of 0 does not exist. That is the answer. Now moving on, next question, that is divide. Let's take an example. 5 upon 8 by 2. In the next step we will write 5 upon 8, and here look at here very carefully, here by is given, so here we will convert this by into the divide symbol. Why? Because according to the question you are to divide. So here we will write 5 upon 8 divided by 2 upon 1. Here you can see that 1 is present as a denominator. In the next step, whenever you found that any rational number along with the division sign, so you will have to convert into the reciprocal along with the multiplication symbol. Reciprocal means you will convert numerator into the denominator and denominator into the numerator. So here we will write 5 upon 8 into 1 upon 2. Now here remember always that whenever you found divide symbol before any rational number, it means you will do the reciprocal in the next step, that is numerator into the denominator and denominator into the numerator. So here after reciprocal we will get 1 upon 2. Now in the next step here you can see that no numerator cannot be divided by with any denominator, so we will do only the multiply, that is 5 on the 5 and 8 to the 16. That is the final answer. Now moving on, next question, that is evaluate. Let's take an example. In bracket 1 upon 2 divided by 5 upon 16, then bracket close, divided by minus 3 upon 20. Now according to the BODMAS rule, first of all we will solve the bracket, and here you can see in the bracket there are two rational numbers along with the division sign. So first of all we will do the reciprocal. I have taught you right now about the division symbol. In the next step we will write 1 upon 2 into 16 upon 5, then minus 3 upon 20. Here you can see that this 16 can be divided by with 2 for 8 times, so here we will divide to each other, and in the further step we will write 8 ones are 8 upon 5 divided by minus 3 upon 20. Again you can see that divide symbol is present before minus 3 upon 20, so we will do the reciprocal in the next step. So here we will write 8 upon 5 multiply by minus 20 upon 3, and here you can see that minus 20 can be divided by 5 for 4 times, so here we will divide to each other minus 4, and here you can see now there is no number that can be divided to each other, so here we will do the multiply only, that is 8 multiply by minus 4, we will get minus 32 upon 3 ones are 3, and here you can see that minus 32 is greater than the denominator, so we will convert into the mixed fraction. In the next step we will get minus 10 whole 2 upon 3. Now it's all about the exercise. So goodbye and take care.